Alright, here we go. 1 UFO. 2 UFOs. 3 UFOs. 4 UFOs. I believe that is Mohican. 5 UFOs. Those are stars. And there's 7 through the trees. Number 7 doesn't want to come in. There he is. You guys see him? That's number 7 UFO. And I think this is number 8. See that guy real quick? So, it was raining like a motherfucker. Look at him. Oh, that's on the other side of the lake. It was raining like a motherfucker, windy as shit all night. So I couldn't get out there until right now. It's like 4 in the morning. That's good. There's my man. Just hanging out all by his lonesome. And his brother number 1. See that? Number 1. And this is his brother. Number 2. Let me get both these guys in the same picture here. Let's see. Yeah, I'm zooming it. I should be getting them both, right? Down on the bottom left-hand corner, the other corner. Oh, let me zoom in for this guy. But check it out. You can even see him reflecting off the water. There's my man, bro. He getting low as shit. Look how low he is. And then these guys behind me, I believe those are drones. I don't know. Can't really tell. Let me get in another position. Boom! There he is. I think that's brother number 1, and brother number 2 is like, I can barely see him. He's on the trees, top of the trees. And then there's brother number 2. I don't know if these guys are UFOs or not. They're kind of far up. I think they are though. It was so fucking windy and pouring rain earlier. I swear to God, I thought the lake was gonna sweep me away. Okay, we got at 7. Boing, look at that. Yes, sir. And this is Mohican, I believe. It's a wild guess. Call me crazy. Can you tell that he's like a yellow light? This is a brother. There's 3 of them now. There's 3 brothers. Brother number 1. Brother number 2. And then brother number 3 right there. Yeah, there's 3 of them now. And then this is a Mohican. Look how low he is. My man is fucking low as shit. And that's it. So 8 UFOs altogether. And I had some drones, but they flew off because they were scaring me. And that might even be 9 and 10. You see how they went invisible? These guys are out front right now. You see, there's the street. That's the end of the driveway. And this guy's fucking chilling out front by himself. Wonder where all the drones are. I think this guy might be one. Yeah.